Right now at 5, several local employers have COVID-19 vaccine mandates in place. Some deadlines for compliance have already expired, while more are approaching in the weeks ahead. TMJ4's Sarah McGrew is live with a look at where some of our biggest employers stand. Sarah.
Yeah, about a week and a half after Milwaukee County's deadline for workers to get vaccinated has passed, we're learning that over 1,000 employees still haven't submitted proof of vaccination.
And after reviewing the data last week, 2,900 staff members, or 72%, have submitted either proof of vaccination or have requested an exemption.
In total, the Milwaukee County mandate impacts 4,060 employees. Those who are unvaccinated will have to continue with other mitigation measures like masking and biweekly testing. And if still not vaccinated by October 29th, they could face unpaid suspension and even termination.
So we're going to continue to work with each department individually to dig further into the data to ensure the information is being tracked accurately.
Meanwhile, other large employers in the area are also enforcing vaccine mandates. According to our partners at the Milwaukee Business Journal, Manpower Group, Molson Coors, and Advocate Aurora Healthcare System each say more than 90% of their employees have complied with mandate, and those companies are willing to part ways with those who are unvaccinated.
Manpower Group did say that about 1% of their employees are no longer there because they did not comply with the vaccine mandate.
Although at Molson Coors, the Business Journal reports that just the office staff has a vaccine requirement in place and not those working at the plant.
The companies are requiring vaccines for people who work in the office or white collar staff, but not plant employees. Part of that is a lot of the factory employees are represented by labor unions, and that would be something the employer would have to negotiate with the unions. Some manufacturers are worried that if they mandate vaccines that employees will leave, and there's a shortage of labor right now for manufacturing.
Between Molson Coors, Manpower Group, and Advocate Aurora, thousands of employees are impacted by vaccine mandates. Other employers in Milwaukee with vaccine mandates coming up include Northwestern Mutual, BMO Harris Bank, and various healthcare systems. Live in Milwaukee, Sarah McGrew, TMJ4 News.
All right, Sarah, thanks.